Y'all ready for this cold start? Oh my, it's so loud. It's 5:53 in the morning, and I just had to start this fucking beast of a vehicle. If you're wondering, how does the Hellcord merge onto the freeway? Well, first, getting fucking like with these slow ass motherfuckers. Like, watch, I'm gonna barely hit the gas. I'm gonna be on his ass. Come on, I'm not even going the speed limit yet. Fuck. Ooh, a little backfire. I don't know if y'all could even hear that. But you know, every now and then the Hellcord will backfire, even though it's not tuned. But you know, in today's early morning POV drive, must be driving on the freeway for fun. It's not for fun, it's for the content. I never just drive for fun, but you know what I mean. But why is this truck riding my ass? You know, I'll fucking get over it. I'll get over it, bud. Like, fuck. Get off my fucking tip. Damn, I hate when people ride so close to me because I don't trust them. Like, I really feel like I'm about to be rear-ended whenever someone's way too close to me. Oh boy, not the pickup truck speeding by. He really is a bad guy in the Dodge Ram. I'm not gonna hold you. The Hellcord has a few problems with it. I don't know if you can tell, but the alignment is a little bit off. Something wrong with the tires. I think they're out of balance or something. When like it vibrates at freeway speeds or something. If you know why that's happening, let me know, because it feels like either it has too much air in the tires or they're out of balance. Get a little pull. Not even a pull, just a slight acceleration. I'm not actually gonna hit it, like I said. But hey, you know, just cruising in the Hellcord. This is how it is to just drive on the freeway with this loud ass straight pipe V6. And let me tell you, when I pass people on the freeway, like, it sounds like a race car. Like, every time I pass someone, they'll tell me like, oh my goodness, sounds like a race car just passed me. So even though it's not actually a Hellcat swapped, it still sounds pretty nice. Just gotta make sure, you know, I don't get rear-ended. Now, I don't know if you remember this, but right before I claimed that the Hellcat swap was back, I made a little POV drive with the V6, kind of like what I'm doing right now. If you want to see some more POV driving, watch that video that's on screen right now.